Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy's behind you. Thank you, Henry. Can you say mommy?
Mommy.
Can you say cracker?
Kaka.
Can you say water?
Water.
Can you say car?
K.
Can you say thank you?
Baby.
Can you say
Baby.
Can you say thank you?
Daddy.
Can you say thank you?
Titi.
Can you say auntie?
Eddie.
Can you say hi?
A.
Can you say bye?
B.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say ball?
Yeah. Ba.
Can you say bottle?
Egg. A.
I don't. Can you say bye?
What?
Can you say grandma?
No.
No, you can't say grandma.
No.
Can you say nose? Okay, well that kind of counts. Can you say eye?
A.
Good boy. That's not your eye though. Can you say ear? Remember where your ear was? This is your ear. Yeah, that's your ear. Good boy. Does your ear hurt? Is your ear owie?
A.
Owie? Can you say bye?
Bye.